The other type is, of course, type 2. Now, type 2 is the most common type of diabetes. It accounts for about 90 to 95% of cases. This one is categorized as insulin resistance, still leading you to hyperglycemia, and I'm going to explain why now. So what happens with type 2 is your adipose, which is also known as your fat cells, and your muscle cells, it's unable to, try to take glucose from the blood, right? Which is leading you to elevated blood glucose. In an effort to try to counteract that, your pancreas would try to overcorrect by having its beta cells produce large amounts of insulin. But the thing is though, with type 2, insulin resistance, what that means is your body cells essentially are desensitized to insulin. That's where insulin resistance comes into play. Your body is really just kind of essentially resisting the insulin that your pancreas is producing. This was also the type of diabetes that affects many different ethnic groups. All of these groups are, groups of color. So we have Native Americans, Mexicans, Blacks, Hispanics, Asians, and Pacific Islanders. These are the types of groups that type 2 diabetes tends to affect the most.